all the fold up.
Dude, what the heck?
What?
Why did you do that?
Why are you saying what?
Did you spill all of that guy?
Yeah. He burned my patch.
He burned your patch?
Yeah.
He's a little kid, bro.
No! Back up!
Little kid. Hey, you need to call the cops or something, dude.
Want me to walk off?
Yeah, get off. I need to talk to you.
Bro, you're out. Hey! Rah! Come on, dude. Just call the hit. Call the hit, bro. Call the hit. Dude, you need to start calling your hits. Seriously. Call your hits. Excuse me? Are you fucking kidding me right now? Yeah, fucking shoot me again! Hey, Rah! Rah!
This is our respawn! You cannot attack our respawn! This is our respawn! White line, white line!
Hey, you guys,
Stop!
come, stop, hey, stop.
Motherfucker!
Stop.
Fuck you! Fuck you, you son of a bitch!
Blind man.
Fuck you!
Hey, calm down.
No! How you let that mean have you?
Hey, calm down.
Fuck you, you son of a bitch! Fuck you!
Calm down. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Stop. Hey, stop. Stop. Back the fuck up. Hey, stop. Everyone stop. Hey, look over.
He's talking to minor! Cut it out! He hit my fucking neck! Okay, relax.
Everyone calm down.
Please step outside the vestibule. Come on, don't make it right. He just attacked a fucking 14-year-old! What the fuck did this motherfucker? Come get me, motherfucker! Hey, come get me, you fucking bitch! Hey, come on, bitch! Come get me, motherfucker! Who the fuck wants to fight? Who wants to fuck you, motherfucker?
Everyone calm down.
Hey, fuck that! Let's go, motherfucker! Who wants to square up? Let's go!
God, it's just going down, dude.
Hey, you heard my son! You heard my fucking son!
Everyone calm down. Darius, get up, Darius. Walk. Go. Walk out.